the Audi A6 Allroad C8 A6 Allroad and modify the full car body kit. The BO turnings, exhaust, ACC, front and the rear body kit. Dry carbon parts with ACC hole. Original car parts. Original car. Change for this car. Okay, now we take off the bumper, the front and the rear bumper, the car, some parts, and the original car parts. Remove it. The pipe also have installed it. The original car pipe. Okay, install the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the front bumper for it. For the Audi A7, A6, C8 Allroad model. Also install the OES pipe. OES pack. Okay, the rear bumper have installed it. Unpaid, it's unpaid. For the Audi A6 C8. Okay, now the rear body kit has installed down. Let's check the detail for the pipe and the exhaust and the inside for it. The front body kit, the ACC. Yeah, in here, ACC, and the brakes, and not night version, the laser light. Oh, here.
哎，拆了就完了吗？
A6 Allroad 的这个是前面换的是8安的，然后是上的21寸的轮毂，21寸。然后这个后面就只换了个加大盘，还是这个没有换那个卡钳，只换了个盘，其实就够用，而且挺好看的。这个是A6 Allroad。